Imagine hopping into a car with no steering wheel, no pedals, just pure AI magic driving you around. Tesla Cybercab Robotaxi dropped late March 2025, and it's got X on fire. Is this the urban mobility shakeup we've been waiting for? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, Tesla just pulled the curtain off their Cybercab Robotaxi. No gimmicks, no controls, just a sleek, self-driving beast unveiled a week ago. X posts are buzzing about its city-changing potential, and Bloomberg is hinting at a Q3 rollout. We're breaking down what this means for you, your commute, and the future. Buckle up. Well, sort of. So what's a Cybercab? Picture this. Late March 2025, Tesla rolls out a two-seater with butterfly doors, no steering wheel, no pedals, just a massive touchscreen and AI brains. It's fully autonomous, powered by Tesla's latest full self-driving tech. Elon Musk calls it premium point-to-point transport, and it's not some distant dream. Sources say we might see these zipping around by Q3. That's July 2025. X users are losing it, with posts like "Sci-fi's real" and "Goodbye Uber" popping off. The design's pure Cybertruck vibes, angular, stainless steel, and futuristic as heck. Oh, and it's wireless charging only. No plug, just vibes. Why is this trending? It's not just a car, it's a mobile tech revolution. No steering wheel means Tesla's betting hard on AI-driven travel. X chatter is all about urban mobility. Think less traffic, no parking nightmares, and maybe cheaper rides. Musk says it'll cost under $30K to own, with operating cost at 20 cents a mile, way less than your gas guzzler. Bloomberg's pegging Q3 2025 for a rollout, starting in places like Austin or Cali, where Tesla's already testing FSD. But it's not all hype. Some X posts are skeptical, like, can it handle my crazy city streets? Fair question. Tesla's promising 300 miles of real-world range, shared tech with their Optimus bot, and a ride-hailing app to summon it. This could flip how we move. Now the catch. It's fully autonomous, so regulators need to sign off. Tesla's got permits brewing in California, but X users are like, will it really be ready by Q3? Musk's missed deadlines before. Remember 2020's million robotaxi promise? Still, the buzz is unreal. Posts on X call it a game changer for cities, with some joking, no pedals, guess I'm napping. Tesla's banking on cameras and AI. No pricey lidar like Waymo, making it leaner but riskier. If it works, your daily grind's about to get a sci-fi glow up. If not, well, still a dope prototype. So what's this mean for us? By Q3 of 2025, you might hail a Cybercab via Tesla's app. Kick back and let AI do the driving. It's not a gadget you pocket, but its mobile tech ripples are huge. Smarter cities, greener rides, maybe even jobs for Optimus to flag him down. X fans say it's the future we deserve, and I'm all here for it. Will it hit that July target? We'll see, but Tesla's all in on this AI bet, and I'm rooting for those butterfly doors to swoop into my life. Are you hyped for the Cybercab or calling BS on the timeline? Drop your thoughts in the comments.